Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing for you. Can you guess? Can you guess? I am unboxing for you today the Game of Thrones box. Now, this box is $56.99 after shipping, and it is a quarterly box. They call it a seasonal box, which is the same thing, but so I'm unboxing for you today the spring box. It did come in the mail with an outer plastic wrapping. I went ahead and took that off just so I'm not wasting too much time, because I have a hell of a time with actually opening things. So I open up the box and this is what I see. Oh, stuff is falling. So this, everything is falling. So this is what I see. And there is no card on top that I can see. So I'm just gonna start pulling things out. So the first thing I see is this pen. Please don't be hard to open. Oh, yay. And this is a Fire and Blood Targaryen pen. And on the back it says House Targaryen Noble House Banner Pen Series. Subscriber exclusive, 4 of 4. Now, I don't know. I'm not sure what box this is. I know that it's been out for at least 2 other boxes, so I don't know if we just missed out on 2 pens or if we will eventually get them or whatnot, but that's pretty cool. I like that. It's really nice. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out here is a t-shirt. And this is going to be a men's size medium. Or maybe a boy's size medium. I don't know. That looks like it would, no, I would have to say probably a men's size medium. I will probably still wear it though. That is, who was that? Who was that? Dang it. Stannis Baratheon. This one's, God. And I just binged the damn thing too, like 100 times back to back. This is a picture of when, or of whatever, of when Stannis was sailing to Blackwater Bay. So that is the Battle of Blackwater Bay, and that is Dragonfire. His ship's exploding with Dragonfire. So that's really cool. And it says in here, on the tag, it just says Game of Thrones. So that's really cool. I like that. I wonder if that's a glow in the dark. That would be kind of neat. Okay, the next thing I am seeing are plates for the houses. These would be really neat to hang on the wall, I think. So we have the dire wolf. We have the flayed man. Who's that? Is that? Oh, look, I found a... Okay, so it's... Look, okay, so I found this in the box. It was up against the side of the wall. And it says on the back. So this is, it's the Red Wedding plate set. So there you go. I can't remember who this is though. Who is this? Let's see, we have the wolf, the flayed man. Is this Frey? House Frey? And then the Lannisters. It had to have been Frey because Frey is where the Red Wedding took place, right? Yeah, I think so. Okay. That's cool. So we will probably hang these on the wall like art. I have art hanging all over my house, and so I'm assuming but that's what we'll do with this. Okay, next I'm going to pull out of here another bag. Pop goes the weasel. That was really loud. And this is, let's see, what's it say on my card? This is a house sigil throw blanket. So that's cool. It's really soft. Oh my goodness, and it's huge. Oh, it's not huge. Okay. It's not huge. It's, I don't know. I think it's a nice blanket for maybe, you know what? Maybe I could replace this blanket right here with this. That would be neat. That would kind of go with the theme of our bedroom. But it has all of the house sigils on it. And then the next row, you got the flayed man. And then down a row, third row down. And then the bottom row. God, this blanket is so soft. I am loving that. Maybe that can go right here. Let's see. All right, that'll work for now. Okay, so then next I am pulling out, oh, okay, it's a Targaryen LED desk lamp. And so it's in the box here. Where'd that card go? I had the card. Oh, how'd it get over there? I have no idea how it got over there. Okay, so this is Targaryen Sigil LED lamp. And I open it up and it's packaged up really well here. Oh, wow. Okay. It's in pieces. So here's a little cord thingamajiggy. And then this is the base. There are directions. Oh, okay. And it says, on the directions, it says, each time the power button is pressed, it will change colors. So, oh, I have to, okay, so it has this yellow film on the back of it. We need to take that off. Oh man, there's no way in hell I'm gonna get this off by myself. My hands just don't function like that. Oh my goodness. No, my husband's gonna have to do that. But that's what it looks like. It's just the Targaryen sigil. And it goes in here like this, except it doesn't have this yellow backing, but I cannot get that off. My fingers don't function well enough to tear that off. So anyway, that's kind of neat, and I will show you what it looks like that. It glows, I guess, that color. It actually glows multiple colors once you get them on. Okay, so the last thing in this box is the Battle of the Bastards magnetic bulletin board. And it looks like this. And it has darts, magnetic darts, and then it also has whatever those pens are, those erasable pens. It has one of those. So that's kind of cool. I am not sure what we'll do with this or where we'll put it. If it's magnetic, maybe on our refrigerator. I don't know, but I don't know. My overall first impression of this box is that it's pretty cool. I like it. I mean, yeah, I can't wait to get the next one and see what is in it. So awesome. That is all for this unboxing, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye.